Hear it? It's going.
Timber!
It's going.
The whole tree?
The tree's getting ready to break. It's going.
That's not good. No good.
It's going. Not good, door shut.
Oh, the poor squirrels. I'm sorry, babies.
Your tree's ready to hit the ground.
That tree has last days. Backing up. Backing up. Backing up. Backing up. That tree had better days. In our little tree right there.
No, it's not. It's still moving. No, it's not going or whatever Mom said.
It's coming.
I don't want to get hurt or shocked or whatever.
Oh.
I had a dream. There it goes.
That tree had better days.
Our neighbor's tree's getting ready to hit the ground.
Yep.
Love you.
It's gonna be sad if they.
Holding it in there.
It's gonna be sad if the raccoons of their tree.
There it goes.
Oh!
There it goes.
See, careful. That's why you should stay up for birds. What are they saying?
There it goes.
If I say no,
The whole tree?
right every day.
Yeah.
Every day.
Are you about your little tree, Mom?
Oh, it's still
There it
going.
goes. It won't hurt my light.
It's still going though.
It's going.
It's still kind of going. No more.
Yep.
That's why when somebody goes that way every day.
Birdies! I'm sorry, babies! I'm sorry, squirrels of your tree. So sad. Aw.